Unvaccinated Spokane Valley firefighters will still be allowed to work on the front lines.
Been that way for months and months and months throughout this COVID process. So they're no more at risk than they were before.
But it won't be easy or cheap to keep them on the job. 22 firefighters in Spokane Valley were granted religious and medical exemptions and won't have to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
In some departments, including the city of Spokane, that would mean they can't fight fires anymore. It's up to state agencies to decide how to accommodate any exemptions. Statewide, 88% of healthcare workers are vaccinated. Of the state employees required to get the shot, 89% of them have done so as of last Monday. 5,085 of them have asked for religious and medical exemptions. And while most have been granted, very few of those people can do the same job they're doing right now. Rania Kaur has been following this story since the mandate was announced. She's live in Spokane Valley with how it's going to work for firefighters there.
Simply put, these firefighters will be separated from the rest of the department. This station on Spokane University will be one of the stations where exempted firefighters will be. The fire chief guarantees public safety. Today won't be any different than October 19th when the mandate goes into effect. For firefighters, the badge they wear carries a pride and a promise to protect the community they serve regardless of circumstances.
Ultimately, our firefighters understand the responsibility that comes with the uniform and the badge and the position that we hold. And that is, we have a big responsibility to take care of ourselves, take care of our patients and our citizens in the community.
22 firefighters were granted exemptions to the COVID vaccine. Chief Bryan-Collins ultimately decided to make accommodations, keeping everyone on the job, fighting fires and responding to emergencies. But it won't be the same as other firefighters. Exempted firefighters will be rapid tested every day, will be required to wear N95 masks on shift except for when they're asleep, and will be relocated to Station 1 and Station 10 where the battalion chiefs are.
They are going to oversee the testing portion daily with those crews, so it made sense to do them at those locations so the battalion chiefs weren't driving around town trying to find firefighters spaced out across all 10 stations.
But it's not cheap. The testing and other accommodations will cost the fire department around $50,000 to $65,000 a year. Chief Collins says it's more cost efficient than having to train replacements.
They're no more at risk than they were before. And frankly, they're better protected because we're testing them every day.
The mandate goes into effect on Monday. The rest of the 154 firefighters are vaccinated. Reporting from the Valley tonight, I'm Rania Kaur, 4 News Now.